As summer approaches, many families are seeking the perfect way to cool off and enjoy quality time together. Above-ground pools offer an excellent solution, blending affordability, convenience, and fun. Whether you're looking for a compact model for a small backyard or a larger design for the whole family, there's an option to fit every need. In this video, we'll explore the best above-ground pools on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what to consider before making a purchase. Dive in with us. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Bestway Power Steel. If you're looking for a durable and reliable swimming pool option, the Bestway Power Steel above-ground swimming pool might just be the perfect fit for you. Crafted with Tri-Tech, a robust 3-layered surface material, this pool ensures stability and longevity, making it an excellent investment for seasons of fun. The seal and lock system further enhances safety, securing the joints at the corners and preventing any leakage, which is crucial for maintaining the water level and ensuring a worry-free experience. The pool comes in various sizes to accommodate your needs, with the 18 by 9 foot model offering a comprehensive package that includes a sturdy ladder, a pool cover, and a convenient ChemConnect dispenser. This innovative dispenser seamlessly adds chlorine from the side of the pool wall, freeing up space for you and your loved ones to enjoy those refreshing swims without the hassle of manually balancing chemicals. For those who opt for different sizes, while accessories may vary, you can still enhance your pool experience with fun add-ons like an adorable floating turtle chlorine dispenser. This not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds a touch of whimsy to your poolside environment. Owning a Bestway Power Steel above-ground swimming pool means creating lasting memories with family and friends right in your backyard. Dive into relaxation and enjoyment with a pool that's designed for comfort, convenience, and peace of mind. At number 4, H2O Kids Splash and Shade 8-foot round steel frame. If you're seeking a refreshing escape from the sun's heat, the H2O Go. Kids Splash and Shade 8-foot round steel frame above ground pool might just be the solution you need. With its integrated canopy, this pool offers essential shade for those sunny afternoons while providing a playful environment that kids are sure to adore. Designed with family fun in mind, this pool accommodates children of all ages and even allows adults to join in, though they may have to crouch a bit. The water depth is ideal for younger children, promoting safe play. However, it may not be suitable for traditional flotation devices or deeper swimming activities. One of the standout features is the included water mister, designed to attach to your garden hose, adding a touch of extra cooling during hot days. While some users have noted that the mister can be somewhat finicky, many appreciate the ease of assembly and the potential to connect a filter pump for cleaner water. Though it's important to remember that the pump isn't included with the pool. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and a durable liner, the pool is built to withstand the elements. To ensure its longevity, it's recommended that you store it properly during the winter months. With proper care, this pool can provide countless hours of enjoyment for your family. Dive into summer fun while creating lasting memories right in your own backyard. Number 3, we have the INTEX Metal Frame. Are you ready to elevate your summer experience with the INTEX Metal Frame above-ground pool? This spacious round pool holds up to 1,718 gallons of water, offering plenty of room for family and friends to enjoy. Setting it up is a breeze. Within just 30 minutes, you can have it ready for water by placing it on level ground, ideally on a ground cloth. The innovative composite T-joint design ensures that assembly is quick and hassle-free, requiring no tools at all. The dual suction outlet fittings enhance water circulation, leading to better hygiene and clarity, so you can dive into crystal clear water. Constructed from super tough, puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, this pool is designed to withstand the rigors of endless summer fun. Should any unforeseen damage occur, a patch is included for easy repairs, allowing you to enjoy your pool worry-free. To further enhance your swimming experience, the included pump filters 530 gallons per hour and is equipped with hydro-aeration technology. This innovative feature not only improves circulation and filtration, but also promotes better water clarity and increases negative ions, contributing to a refreshing pool environment. With the INTEX Metal Frame above ground pool, you can create lasting memories, enjoy quality time with loved ones, and make your backyard the go-to summer destination. Don't miss out on the fun. Your perfect summer retreat is just a few steps away. At number 2, Bestway Steel Pro MAX. Are you looking for an affordable way to enjoy endless summer fun with family and friends? The Bestway Steel Pro MAX above ground pool offers a fantastic solution. With a capacity of 2,700 gallons, this round pool is designed for both kids and adults, providing a perfect space for relaxation and recreation. Crafted with a superior frame design, this pool features a rust and corrosion-resistant coating, ensuring durability and stability, far surpassing inflatable pool options. You'll appreciate the added stability provided by the 3-ply PVC support band that surrounds the pool, giving you peace of mind as you enjoy your time in the water. Furthermore, the pool is made from lightweight yet durable PVC material, which is tear-resistant and won't fade from sun exposure over time. This means you can focus on having fun instead of worrying about maintenance. Setting up your Bestway Steel Pro MAX pool is a breeze, as no tools are required for installation. This convenience allows you to spend less time preparing and more time enjoying your backyard oasis. Additionally, the flow-controlled drain valve offers an easy way to empty excess water when needed, streamlining post-use cleanup. With the Bestway Steel Pro MAX, you can create lasting memories and enjoy refreshing summer days right in your own backyard. Embrace the joy of swimming and relaxation with this durable and user-friendly above-ground pool. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe. If you're considering an above-ground swimming pool, the Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe is an excellent choice for families and friends alike. This spacious rectangular pool, measuring 20 by 48 feet, offers ample room for multiple adults and children to enjoy swimming and playing together. One of the standout features of this pool is its depth. The 48-inch walls allow adults to fully submerge and swim comfortably, while also being shallow enough for taller kids to stand safely. This balance makes it a great option for families with children of varying ages. Installation is another key benefit. The design of the Ultra XTR Deluxe makes it relatively straightforward to set up. You won't need to spend endless hours wrestling with complicated instructions or struggling to assemble the components. With some planning and a helping hand, you'll have your pool ready for fun in no time. Beyond just swimming, the Intex provides an ideal space for gatherings and summer get-togethers. Picture warm days filled with laughter as your loved ones come together for pool parties, barbecues, and relaxing afternoons by the water. Investing in a pool like the Intex means more than just a place to swim. It creates an inviting atmosphere for cherished memories with family and friends. Make your backyard the go-to spot for summer fun and relaxation, and experience the joy of having your own private oasis. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which above-ground pool you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.